This is the frogs in our backyard, swimming around in our pool. So loud. Our neighbors. Is that their heads?
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's a ton of them. And they're not little.
They're not bullfrogs.
They're not little either. Ew. Freaks me out. So loud.